Okay, we currently got for sale, it's a 2013 Mitsubishi Canter. It's a 7.5 tonne vehicle with a 3 tonne payload, and it's got, as you can see, it's white. It's got air suspension, electric windows, wind deflectors, alarm, immobiliser, central locking, power steering, stereo, electric tailgate, which I'll show you it's working in a minute. MOT till 31st of the 8th 2025. Full service history until March 2024. 3 months safety check records, VDO Tachograph, reversing camera and sensors. Single owner since new. Mileage 88,450. I think you'll be hard pressed to find one with the age with such low mileage. Say super. It's always been serviced regularly. Anything's needed on it, it ends up in the shop and gets it done. So as far as maintenance go, we can't fault it at all. Beautiful little vehicle, especially for the money we're asking, which I'll obviously be on the advert. Do obviously come back to us if you need any questions answered or anything. But as I say, it's a cracking vehicle. To be honest, it's been sat there for about the last 3 or 4 weeks. So I was going to get this video started first time, so I've got no qualms at all selling this on to you. Beautiful vehicle. Okay, but as I say, I'll put loads more on the advert and some photos to go with it. Cheers, thanks for looking.